Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
This latest lab you have sent me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
This lab document, whatever you sent today just now before, that is a lab document or what is that one?
No, that you asked me for lab number 55 or 54.
Okay, for that. Okay.
Okay, so
And what
in
about?
that I have not only I have given you the document for .NET deployment also, Python deployment also, each and everything.
Okay.
Maybe in future in some project you will get some, right?
Yeah.
So that is one. So I have given you that document. That is more than enough. And regarding one more, that your VNet something like. Can you please send me the email? Then I will send you that also.
Okay.
Because it will be an email. Then okay, I have to reply. Correct.
Okay.
Otherwise, so many stuff. And feel free to ask me after the classes also. You can send out an email. I will reply back to you.
Okay.
Okay. And go through all the sample papers. Interview questions. Can you increase the font size? I'm not able to.
1 minute.
Wait. Go up. Just now unit testing you have written. Testing the smallest component of the application. After that, full stop. It is also known as component testing. So what is component testing and unit testing? Both are same thing, correct?
Okay.
Earlier, Azure DevOps is known as VSTS. 40 plus languages are supported after that. Earlier, Azure DevOps known as VSTS or TFS. Known as VSTS.
Okay.
Is it okay? Is it possible in Azure DevOps to run multiple pipeline? Okay. To run multi-pipeline in a single project. Yes, current pipeline will be in running status and rest of the pipeline will be during the same. Okay, same project. Okay, good. Is it possible in Azure to host multi-pipeline, multi-project with the same subscription? Yes, it is possible. Go down. These we have enough discussion.
Yeah.
And one more thing, do not share this particular document to each and everyone. Otherwise, competition will be more.
Yeah, I know that.
Especially in your circle. Okay. And what are artifacts collection of packages? Okay. Scroll up. I want to see one more thing. Do you have added one lab that is create Azure Kubernetes service in lab document?
Yeah, but you said no need. You told me. Then after that, you will provide the document. Then we can think that maybe I'll check in that one.
Can you open the lab? Lab, AZ 400 labs document.
Yeah, this is one.
Yeah, just find in the search document. There is in navigation pane. There is what Azure
This is
search box is there. Left hand side. Left hand side.
Kubernetes, no?
No, this is not. This is I have already sent you one. Only the Kubernetes services, the AKS. Have you created?
No.
No. Okay, go to open the portal. This is also one of the important service. Although it is not right now, they have not added, but they are going to add within this after this quarter. At the rate of gmail.com. Just type Kubernetes service. Click on add. Have you created? I think you must have created, but
No, I created this one, no? Cluster, this one.
cluster you have created, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was my. Sure, you have created, right? In your mail.
Yeah. No, in the previous administrator itself, we created, no?
Okay. No, administrator only. So all the labs. Okay, you have created. Great. Okay, then it is not pending. I thought maybe. Oh, Docker container also you have created, right?
Docker container, no.
Just type the Docker container.
Docker instances, no?
Yes. So this you can create similar way. RG test 01. Okay. Here you can create three types of quick start image, Azure Container S3, Docker Hub or other. So you can select Docker. Yeah, you got it right. Just write down this lab into that lab document. Do not create. Why you are wasting your money? At the time of taking the screenshot, you can that moment not interview lab. Okay, the number will be also looks good, right? 59 it was there, right?
Okay.
Okay, and this image you can add Azure portal. Yes. Okay. Okay. So I've sent you today 3 mails. Correct? You got it or not? Tell me.
Let me check. Right. Yeah, 104 I got it.
AZ 900.
Yeah, 900 got it.
Okay, 400 is fine. I don't know why it is not allowing me right now sending to you mail. So I will send you later. Fine.
Okay.
Because maybe Hughes, transferred. I mean,
What is the
download.
size?
I haven't checked, but it is not allowing me right now. I've sent all of. So I will send you. I will zip. Otherwise, I will send you in separate PDF.
No, otherwise,
Fine.
what you can do, put it in any Google Drive, share it, and download. I'll download it. Then after that, you can revoke it.
So many people have already added. Okay. So that's the
Okay. Okay.
reason I have created some other email ID and all. Adding, removing. I'm not
Yeah.
getting a reply. Mail also. Correct. So you can understand how. Okay. So uh, almost we have completed our journey today. So today
Okay.
just final tata bye bye. Not final. You can reach me out anytime, anywhere. Okay, through mail.
Okay.
Okay, and rest of the things right. And if
Yeah.
you one more thing, my suggestion to you, you have already completed the DevOps track, right? Now, if
Hmm.
you want to become some kind of play a key role and all, so please try to understand, get some, as you told us, CSM and complete kind of testing knowledge also, because in project everything you should know as a manager, correct?
Hmm. Hmm.
So
Yeah.
those just, this is my suggestion as you asked me, so in later classes. So this is what, just go through that. Regarding the
Okay.
CSM and all, I will send you the after whatever, maybe we have a sample paper, they will not ask you more than that.
Okay.
CSM I told you, right? Certified
Yeah.
Scrum Master.
Yeah.
Okay, that is only the voucher cost is CSM is very less. If you
Hmm.
if you go for voucher cost for safe agile and all, so safe agile is what? A scrum within the scrum. So don't go directly to that. First you need to
Hmm.
understand a scrum, play some few days role as a scrum master or product owner or kind of thing. Okay,
Hmm.
with
Okay.
technical knowledge.
Okay.
You have a technical very good understanding of DevOps and cloud and all. And if you are also having the more knowledge of product or a scrum and all, so you can understand what kind of profile you have, correct?
Okay.
Both the
Okay.
things parallelly you have. So that is
Okay.
what my suggestion. Okay, and go through any kind of doubt if you get any DevOps project right now and after some time also. If you feel that okay, how to start and how to something is not so just send out an email to me, or direct, you can connect with me through bit2. Okay, we are
Okay.
always ready to help you.
Okay.
Don't think that okay, this course was only for agent 900 agent 104 and all. Okay,
Okay. Right. Okay.
supporting so many project also,
Okay.
project assistance.
Yeah. Yeah.
They are sharing the their screen, then I'm guiding, do this that, like that. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so shall I wind up today?
Yeah.
I will
You
send you
can.
agent sample
Okay.
paper, don't worry. You will get each and every material. Only the agent 400 sample paper are pending, correct?
Oh yeah.
Everything we have given. So maybe just give me after 1 hour, yeah, maybe tomorrow or within
I'll
this
send
week.
the I'll send the email for that VNet. What is required? I'll send the email.
Yes, but in the same email just mention VNet and also that agent 400.
Okay.
In the
Okay.
same email I will send you, correct?
Mm. Okay.
Then I will be also in that. Fine. So shall I
Okay.
wind up? So
Yeah.
are you
Yeah.
happy?
Yeah.
So are you happy
Yeah.
with our journey?
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. It's thank you.
It's a good or not? Bad? Tell me.
Yeah. It's good. Good
Or
only.
I was giving so many assignments and all, right?
No, no, actually, it's good only because that's why I'm able to do this, because it gets some confident level. Because after that, I have to do explore myself because this is what it depends upon the project and company. It will change their working style will be changed. So that's why I'm thinking. Even I know Terraform also, so I have been worked with Terraform in AWS, so I have no problem. So that's why I'll try to learn from how to
Terraform
spec.
you can see Terraform you can integrate with Azure DevOps also. Okay.
Okay.
So if you know the Terraform, okay, so
Hmm.
then it will be very easy to you. Okay,
Hmm.
you can use that knowledge in Azure also and try to integrate. It's if you require, just send me. I will help you out. Okay.
Okay. If anything else, I'll let you know. Okay.
Now, do not those see this course related stuff. Send me one that Azure 400, and those stuff you can send me later also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, those stuff whenever you are going to work in that in any specific project where you need to integrate with Azure DevOps with Jenkins, Azure DevOps with Terraform, Azure DevOps with Ansible, and then you have to work. Let's maybe you will get right. So those stuff you can contact us.
Okay.
You have everything for you, correct? You got it. Whatever.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay, so I'm winding up. So it was really Arun, and please continue with your Jill. You have a very good Jill to learn new things, and just
Okay. Sure.
please continue that.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Agar. Thank you. Thank you.
Please enroll our general membership for $3.99 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $3.99 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.